I know you're not giving an answer if you're gonna live round the back. Wife. Leave it, make it ring. Answer. Wagwan babes. Oh man, may I get ready for leave up. Soon go up on the road, go deal with some things too. Love you, you know. I can bring you somewhere nice tonight, don't worry about it. Yeah, yeah. Ready for round 2? Oh, that man. Wagwan. Oh, this beautiful lady in front of me. I was here before. What you do here? She part Octavia there. She must go on her man yard or something. You want to come hang out with me instead? Oh God, really? Really? So you not tell me your name? And my computer you're using? It's Crystal. So you up on my computer? A Facebook and Instagram you go upon? You want to come add me upon them there? Or me and dog will be too complicated for you to understand. So it better you just sit down or you go on over it, so go the way I do. Oh, you play hard, forget. No worry, I love a challenge. You really okay, don't it? Me not one of them girl there, so better you just go look for somebody else to take feed at, alright? Later. Anthony, what you doing in my room? One girl, come here. Come look for you today. Why every time my friend them come here, you have to come on and look them? Wait, you ask about me? Oh my God. Anthony and everybody I go want you, you know. Jeez, man, you're just so ridiculous. I'm Octavia. You know, so much sexy. The girl them love me. Crystal, I'm not one of them girly, you know what? Mess with somebody like she dangerous. All the better. Are them type of girl them like dangerous, bad. Oi. How was your day, baby? Right still. I went downtown and get some things, you know, for cook and everything. Really want to talk to you about something. With that thing about rent out the back. Baby, for that we have to go share the kitchen and the bathroom. But that not gonna be no issue. We're barely there. I guess it's not really a bad idea. At least we'll have more money for the more things. So you want me tell my friend at my work so maybe we can find somebody to rent it out? No worry about that. We know somebody will rent it out. Alright then. It's a good idea. Hey, mother, you text? Hey man, she asked how all the way I don't tell her so we're alright. Mommy, they asked if I could stay with her for the weekend. You want to come? No man, it don't make no sense. I only bought things for do at work. And I have to go fix up the room so the person can rent it. Yo, I'm gonna cook up the goat and leave it in the fridge for you so you can eat it for the weekend. No man, I got other food. I gonna be alright. You're not worried about me. Well, make sure the person you're gonna bring come here, they're a hard worker, okay? I want nobody to fool around. No worry man, baby, they work really hard, trust me. Anthony, me don't wonder if you could come help me fix some things in the house. Oh what, the wall a leak again? Nah man, the pipe dry out. No water now go through it, you know? You can come fix it for me? Oh, the bumbo cloud are going inside in the house. The brother come in here, come make up all of your noise in your area. You well want the neighbor them here with business, don't it? A bumbo cloud neighbor here, worry boy, you young boy in the house. You come and talk about who you ever go around a back road of them young girl there? Before you in the kitchen, you're supposed to cut my blood clot dinner, you man in the house. Hey, that woman, yo, watch what me gonna do you. Later, me supposed to see me, I join the one there, you know. You say me the boy gone. Say, a spicy me a spicy, you know, watch.